Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
You cut it
You
off.
can't give away your picnic for and hungry for work, my no man, and pick me a bumbo clot like them, you feel dead. Me no wrong enough and sit down in a them blood clot face, you know. Me see I doing wrong woman from put them hearthole in a them blood clot face. Fucking fool. I am sit down pan the valley, you know.
You know what I'm saying?
Without the man that's what they see, no picnic bar and a bumbo clot.
No picnic bar.
And the man fi draw back and refuse from see what the blood clot teeth, so no want money. How am I get money? The generation done to pussy clot. They want the picnic them to be lawyer, doctor, minister, judge, teacher, this, that, and we not get the money. You favor stinking blood clot shit. I rob you want to rob me. Me wealth and me value without with the world hang.
True.
And the blood clot man to pack stone and get you around and yard back for stone new man with him pussy. Where you go? Where the bumbo clot you go? And when we done fuck your hand up get something free? Free your pussy clot. 10,000 for your little girl. And 40 for your little boys. None now born a bumbo clot. So if you take up the picnic give it free and have it for work my no man and picnic. Who no favor stinking blood clot shit. Only picnic then get blood clot big. Me want help and can't get them out there in a system. Then the system and get them benefit to blood clot and they never help me to grow them. Right?
Fuck.
And me alone go through blood, sweat and tears for them get big. And when they get big, me need them attention and them no available. Out there in the system then they get them blood clot attention.
Fuck.
No pussy clot fool.
Fuck. Tell them again.
But I'm not asking. No let me down man.
Fuck.
Go to none your man. Man your bumbo clot. Make a man overcome no. Like a them rule, I wanna hear hello, I, psst, that means you're somebody, we are not nobody. If you was thinking shit, if I'm all the man, if finger and pussy telling dead, you're not beg fuck me, not begging. A blood clot. Make we see what we can hold out longer, you stinker. You fucking bad mind bitch. Make it look like you not get no comfort, you not get no pleasure out of fuck. Eh? God give you my things to keep for me. I'm ready for me things. What you want me to beg for? Me a demand that bumbo clot unless me no want it, you know. Kind of fear. God give for keep for me and my blood clot one. I'm ready for me things and not give me no trouble, you know. Like you want me satisfy your needs and your demands and all them pussy clot them before you give me things. That's what you do. How you do and I broke my arm, bro. You believe me, you know the joke with my arm, bro. Somebody dead to blood clot and me I go to prison. What? But I beg your pussy. Unless your pussy sick to blood clot you will get away now. But when you not sick, don't give me no trouble, you know. Because I want me things. And just surrender and give me blood clot things, you know, because you know you're my one, you know.
Simple.
I don't want bumbo clot give to me like you want me obligate to you and beg you. You think me can back fist and go fuck animal and fuck back you when I go?
Yes.
And you say want me pussy and you fuck your bumbo clot or tell about you hungry. Hungry your bumbo clot, me can't eat for you. Eh? When you're hungry you don't know if you go find something yam. What you tell me about your hunger for? When me hungry, me know if you go find something yam. When your face the blood clot, you frat on the cocky. When me done broke, you go find something yam. Don't give me no trouble.
No trouble.
What me busy with you and you hungry? How you hungry and not go find something blood clot yam? What you tell me about your hunger for? Me can't eat for you. You see food on my blood clot head top. What you mean, man? This animal ain't no joke in that species of blood clot animals ain't no joke when they want fuck. Death, you know?
Death.
Out here by woman, this and street him and by in need and in demands and all these things. You want to kill you? You thief in wicked bad mind bitch when you go to the government. Go to my Jamaica house, go block the road. To him and them with a money machine, you see, say me and dying to blood clot. Any money me about tile me have a tile, and you want to help me done it.
To demand sex or to take the sex without a person's approval is considered as not only a form of harassment but rape. You see me? So don't try it and don't let anybody influence you or make you believe that it is okay to do that. It is not. You see me I say? Yeah, just remember that. A question that somebody always asks though from way back when, because this topic can make me have to really and truly ask. You see me? I say, can a woman really rape a man? You see me? Some people say yes, it can happen. Some people say no. Some people say how a woman for rape a man because of the whole erection thing and so forth. You see me? But you don't know the thing already. You see me? I say, I'm going to bring two new hot on social media at the moment. And I just want to just give me a fair answer in the comment section. So here's the question. Sexually frustrated or not? This video just say sexually frustrated or not? That is the question. You see me? I say, alright. Well anyways, you don't know so my name is Skilla. So if you're brand new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla. This is the Skilla ENT. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.